Universal Orlando's epic new themed land and shows for 2024 summer. This summer, Universal Orlando Resort will debut a captivating collection of new, must-see experiences that offer exciting entertainment for the whole family from day to night. The lineup of summertime adventures includes the June 14th grand opening of DreamWorks Land, the vibrant new themed environment inspired by beloved characters from DreamWorks Animation's Shrek, Trolls and Kung Fu Panda. Cinesational, a symphonic spectacular, debuting June 14th at Universal Studios Florida. The waters of the Universal Studios Florida Lagoon will come to life with an all-new nighttime show, Cinesational, a symphonic spectacular. The exhilarating new show will celebrate the emotional power of music by leveraging the iconic scores and scenes from blockbuster films that have inspired Universal Orlando's past, present and future attractions. The Next Level Lagoon show will feature 228 fountains that reach heights up to 131 feet, incredible 4K projection mapping, an original composition featuring newly arranged scores meticulously crafted to each scene, and more than 600 drones, all coming together to envelop guests in a breathtaking display of unforgettable cinematic moments. Universal Mega Movie Parade, debuting July 3rd at Universal Studios Florida. Beginning July 3rd, some of the most beloved stories from Universal's films will leap off the screen and land on the streets of Universal Studios Florida for Universal Mega Movie Parade, a spectacular celebration of iconic movies E.T., Back to the Future, Jaws, Ghostbusters, Jurassic World, Illumination's Minions and Sing and DreamWorks Animation's Trolls and Kung Fu Panda. Guests will watch in awe as they see the massive 16-foot Stay Puft Marshmallow Man atop the Ghostbusters float, the colorful Catterbus and giant rainbows on the vibrant Trolls float, a live marching drumline perform the iconic movie score of Jaws alongside a float themed to the film, and, for the epic finale, a gyrosphere, raptors and the fierce Tyrannosaurus Rex aboard the Jurassic World float, and so much more. Hogwarts Always Castle projection show in the Wizarding World of Harry Potter, Hogsmeade, debuting June 14th at Universal Islands of Adventure. On select nights, guests visiting the Wizarding World of Harry Potter, Hogsmeade will delight in the nighttime extravaganza, Hogwarts Always, an incredible new projection show that will take guests on a journey through iconic moments of a school year at Hogwarts, all set against the majestic backdrop of Hogwarts Castle. From supply shopping in Diagon Alley, and the exhilarating ride aboard the Hogwarts Express, to participating in the sorting ceremony, celebrating the House Cup winner and so much more, this visually stunning experience promises to captivate witches, wizards and muggles of all ages. The show will also feature 4 different endings that celebrate each Hogwarts house and will culminate with a colorful pyrotechnic display. Fans should also listen for dialogue from beloved characters like Professor Dumbledore, Hagrid, the Sortin. DreamWorks Land, opening June 14th at Universal Studios Florida. The highly anticipated new DreamWorks Land will make its official debut on June 14th at Universal Studios Florida, inviting guests to explore the vivid worlds of some of DreamWorks Animation's most beloved characters from Shrek, Trolls and Kung Fu Panda. The expansive new area will feature interactive play areas, character meet and greets, an all-new indoor live show experience, unique treats and photo-worthy moments that are fun for the whole family. Guests will be able to explore Shrek's swamp, enjoy the roller coaster, interact with Poe in the Panda Village, encounter characters like Gabby from Gabby's Dollhouse and so much more. Plus, guests will be transported into the worlds of some of their favorite characters in DreamWorks Imagination Celebration, a multi-sensory live show that will bring beloved DreamWorks stories to life like never before. There is now specialty merchandise which also includes new original interactive bubble wands inspired by DreamWorks Animation's Trolls and Universal Pictures and Amblin Entertainment's Jurassic World. The bubble wands will activate fun features when interacting with other wands and will also interact with select Universal Mega Movie Parade floats when the parade debuts on July 3rd. More details will be revealed in the next few months. For more information about the new experiences opening at Universal Orlando Resort this summer, visit universalorlando.com/new for 2024. Excited to experience it all? Start planning your visit to Universal Orlando today. Don't forget to subscribe for more theme park updates and share your excitement in the comments below. See you at Universal Orlando this summer.